MH17 downed by outdated BUK missile fired from Kiev-controlled area. 2 full-scale experiments by the Almaz-Antey defense company aimed at recreating the MH17 crash conclude the missile that downed the flight was an old BUK model fired from a Ukraine-controlled area, contesting the preliminary theory by Dutch investigators. 2 detonations of BUK missiles near aluminum panels and the cockpits of decommissioned Ilyushin Il-86 passenger airliners in July and October have produced what the company calls conclusive results. In the course of the international investigation, the company was provided with 3 T-shaped strike elements, which looked like 9 M38M1 strike elements, which caused specialists to make their conclusion on the missile type in June, said Almaz-Antey's CEO. Late in July the first full-scale experiment was conducted. Then a BUK 9M38M1 missile and aluminum panels were used. In the course of the experiment it became absolutely evident that if the Malaysian Boeing was downed by a BUK missile, it was done with an old BUK model which does not have double T-iron strike elements. CEO Yan Novikov told a media conference in Moscow. The outcome of the experiment was sent over to the Dutch investigators, however, according to what we know was not taken into consideration, Novikov said. The Almaz-Antey specialists have not excluded other possible causes of the MH17 tragedy. The preliminary theory of the Dutch Safety Board report investigating technical details of the MH17 air crash was presented on June 1 and since then the participants in the investigation, namely Australia, Malaysia, the Netherlands, Russia, the USA, UK and Ukraine have been allowed to deliver their amendments. Russian authorities have repeatedly called attention to the fact that the investigation team rejects evidence presented by Russian entities such as Almaz-Antey, which are not likely to be presented in the final version expected to be delivered on Tuesday, October 13.